cat. This is the cat. This is the cat.
What you thought it was? You thought it was an act? Not at all. Wrong click. Go the other way.
Alright, we got another GoPro with the broken screen and the bottom piece. So we're gonna start with the bottom piece first. Then we'll do the screen. Use a Dremel, cut off most of it, then smooth it out. So I'm gonna cut most of it off with this, then smooth the rest out with this. Got the bottom smooth. And I'm getting all the little chips of glass, and this is one of them scratch-free lens cloths. You don't want to scratch the lens or it ain't gonna really be no good after that. Alright, we got all that clean, no glass pieces in there. Now we're gonna cut out the screen. Alright, this is the plexiglass we got. Alright, I traced it, got that size out like that. Alright, got that cut out. And now we just gonna sand down the edges with this until it fit in place. Real close. A little more trimming down. We got it real close now. Now I'm gonna go clean the glass off real quick. I left a little edge to be able to push it in. Now we're just gonna flatten this piece out. Yeah, with this acrylic stuff, you don't really need a lot since it's spread. Got it on there. Now we're just gonna tape it with some electric tape just to hold it. We're gonna let it sit overnight and come back at it tomorrow. All right, we're just gonna let it sit like this overnight. All right, next day on this, bottom part solid. That's the glass. I just put the little 4 drops of acrylic glue just to hold the glass in place, just in case they get hit or fall. Because what I use these for, they do take a lot of damage falling and stuff like that. Not so concerned about them being waterproof, all like that. I mean, for rain, yeah, but not to be submerged underwater. And with this bottom part like that, you no longer can tilt it. That's cool. I got these on tripods anyway, so I'm not worried about that either.